Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Anindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about complex numbers, JMains, BitSat, MSET, TS and AP. Both the states you can utilize, dear students. Let us have a discussion. The question here: the least positive integer n such that 2i by 1 plus I whole power n is a positive integer. So for what value of n it is? First, what we have to do is the value of 2i plus 1i. N is there, no? Here n is equal to first 2, you take it. Whether positive integer is there or not. We will option verification this one. 2i by 1 plus I. Otherwise, first we need to simplify and get it like this also. So first, what we have to do is simplify. Later we can do that. Rationalizing complex conjugate with the denominator. Multiplying and dividing by 1 minus I. So which is equal to 2i into 1 minus I by denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So it comes 1 minus I square value minus 1. So minus 1 means 2. That is equal to I into 1 minus I. So that is 2I by 1 plus I. So what we have to do is, here also we can do that. N is equal to 2, n is equal to 4, y like this we can take it. Two I by 1 plus I is equal to I into 1 minus I. First I am going to do that value. N is equal to 2 I am taking. So I into 1 minus I whole power 2, that means I square. 1 minus I whole square expansion, 1 minus 1 minus 2I. So that is equal to minus 1 into minus 2I. That is equal to 2I. So n is equal to 2 is not correct option. So we are not getting. But the value of 2i by 1 plus I value is square value is equal to 2i. But I want n is equal to 4. I will check it now. I into 1 minus I whole power 4. That means I into 1 minus I whole square whole power 2. This value is 2I na whole square. 4I square. So that is equal to I square value minus 1. 4 into minus 1. Minus 4. So minus 4 means it is not positive integer, students. So now what I am going to do is I into 1 minus I whole power 8 I am going to take that. So that means I into 1 minus I whole power 4 whole square. So I into 1 minus I whole power 4 value is minus 4 whole square. That is equal to 16 is a positive integer. So for what value of n, least positive integer, n means n is equal to 16 is the right answer. I hope you understand, students. So for n is equal to, not answer, not n is equal to 8 is the right answer. For what value of n they are asking. So therefore the least positive integer So the answer is, dear students, 8. We'll move on to the another question. The number of solutions. The next question. The number of solutions of the equation z square plus z bar equal to 0 is, options we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to do that answer? So first, anyway, z is equal to x plus iy. Whenever z's value is x plus iy, obviously the z bar value x minus iy and mod z square value also, and mod z is equal to root over x square plus y square, squaring on both sides, z square equal to x square plus y square. I hope you understand. Now come to the equation. So the equation is z square plus mod z bar equal to 0. That is x square plus y square. Z bar means x minus iy equal to 0. Okay, dear students. Now we are not mod z square, no, z square general value we are asking. So like this also we can go. Imaginary and so z square we will do, z bar is okay, z bar is okay, z square we will do that normally. And z square equal to x plus iy whole square. Otherwise we cannot find the solutions, students, if we go like this we mod. So z square equal to x square plus I square y square means minus y square plus 2ixy. So x square minus y square, this is the way we can go. 2ixy plus z bar means x minus iy equal to 0. So x square minus y square plus x. From the third and the last term I am taking common 2xy minus y. So x square minus y square plus x plus I into y into 2x minus 1. So 0 can be written as 0 plus I into 0. Comparing real and imaginary part. X square minus y square plus x equal to 0 and y into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x square minus y square we cannot find the solution. From this you can write it. Y equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. So now when y equal to 0, so from this what comes here, x square plus x equal to 0, x into x plus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to 0 or x equal to minus 1. So total here, how many values we are getting? So x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, y equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 2. And also when x equal to 1 by 2, so 1 by 4 minus y square plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 minus y square equal to 0. That implies y square equal to 3 by 4. That implies y is equal to root 3 by 4. That is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. So here y is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. So total how many solutions we are getting here? System has 4 solutions we are getting now. So x equal to 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. When x is equal to minus 1 and these values. Therefore, the system has four solutions. I think options not provided. Yeah. So what are the solutions here? 1 by 2, 0 and y values. If you come to here, the pairs you can take, it is 4 will come. 0, minus 1, 1 by 2 and plus or minus root 3 by 2, like this way. So all these 4 solutions will come. From this only solutions will come, dear students. We'll move on to the another question. The equation, next question. The equation z cube plus iz minus 1 equal to 0 as the first option 3 real roots, one real root, no real roots, no real and complex roots. So now you can suppose x is real root, suppose example. Let us take x is real. So in place of z I am going to replace with x. X cube plus ix minus 1 equal to 0. So we can write it as like this, no? X cube minus 1 plus I into x equal to 0 plus I into 0. So that implies that x cube minus 1 equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. Imaginary parts and real parts we equated, dear students. So there is no real number satisfying these two equations. By observing, there is no real numbers satisfying these two equations. So what we can say that conclusion, x cube minus 1 means it is a factorization we can do, x minus 1 into, so therefore there is no real root. Here x is equal to real if you take means there is no real root, that is no real roots it forms. So therefore the